How to Make Pastry, your step-by-step guide to baking pastry by HowExpert. If you want to learn how to make pastry quickly and easily, then check out the How to Make Pastry guide. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn the different types of pastries, their ingredients, and appropriate fillings depending on the pastry type. Learn to bake pastries in the comfort of your own home. Bake pastries quickly and easily. Learn to prepare a variety of Western-style pastries. Impress your friends with this newfound ability to bake pastries. Have your family feel you love them by serving delicious pastries. Save time to learn the basics of baking pastries. Be able to set up a small pastry business that can give you extra income from home. Save money for preparing homemade pastries to serve when there are family gatherings or other events. Learn how to make pastry doughs and fillings, and much more. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com.